World War II. It was the deadliest war in the human history. The Treaty of Versailles has some issues which remain unresolved, and Germany felt that something fine is not done with the Germany, and the people don't have proper life. They have lot of restrictions. So, because of this, Adolf Hitler, his name was Adolf Hitler. He was a writer, orator, and military commander. He came to the power based on his nationalist agenda and determination to regain the lost glory. Within few years, Germany prospered and became a great military power. Due to some conflict, Germany invaded Poland, and in response, British, France, and their colonies attacked Germany. Soviet Union also attacked Poland from east, dividing it into Germany and Soviet. This made the conflict and the war in each other. Hitler asked for the peace, but Britain and France rejected. That is why Germany then attacked France and completely occupied the France. Then Italy invaded Albania and Japan was in war with China. Germany, Italy, and Japan signed a tripartite pact for the form of Axis power. They were together. They were together called as Axis powers. The Axis powers won most of the battles. Germany then attacked the Soviet Union and Japan attacked United States. This made Soviet Union and US join allied forces, which finally defeat the Axis powers. Then, because of the losing war in World War, Hitler committed suicide. But Japan did not surrender. So US dropped the atom bomb on Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki and killed millions of the civilians and ending the Second World War in 1945. Between 50 to 80 million people died in this war. Then formed the United Nations. There was a drastic political, cultural, and economical social changes across the Europe, Asia, and Africa. Many new nations were formed, empires were collapsed, colonies were freed, old countries were abolished, and the boundaries were redrawn. So the League of the Nation was failed and form a new organization called United Nations Organization to prevent the another world war. At the beginning, it had only 51 countries. Now there are 193 countries in the United Nations. You can also call it UN. The purpose of UN is to settle disagreement between the nation state in peaceful manner while also ensuring that human rights, justice, security, education and economic prosperities are ensured. United Nations has so many other organizations. They were called as UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, Security Council, International Court of Justice, etc. Then they called veto power. United States, United Kingdom, China, Russia, and France are the five countries. They are the permanent member of the Security Council. They possess the veto power, which gives them the power to cancel and postpone the decision taken by UN on any important issue like declaration of war or use of weapon of mass destruction, etc. So these deadly wars were fought for the tribal reasons, and destruction could have been avoided. And Winston Churchill also called World War II as an unnecessary war. But unfortunately, we are also heading toward the World War III, and it is a duty of the people to prevent the war and maintain harmony.